found it.
Their starting ones are always lower.
Yeah.
There we go.
I love the after pop, you know?
Mom knows what you're saying smells like meat.
You don't say that out loud.
She's recording.
Well, at least she didn't say the other word. At least she said cheeks.
You did say.
It's just booty cheeks.
I said booty hole.
Why? It's Chelsea.
It's just booty cheeks. It's just booty cheeks.
He's pretty.
Ow.
Did you slap him? I think Bailey's on my side.
Just don't. Oh. It's gonna be in the video. Should we move down there a little bit?
I'm good right here. I like it. I'm getting good video.
Alright.
Yeah.
Is it the quickest?
Yeah.
I'm sweating my butt off. I'm tempted to take this shirt off because I got an undershirt, but I don't like going with
Them are my favorite ones.
I like the willows.
Yeah, the weeping willow ones.
Yeah, those are my favorite.
That one went inward.
I bet they're not gonna have any.
How many do you have right for later?
Don't the fireworks get twice the size of this?
Yeah, they'll get bigger.
There they go.
I have work at 7 a.m.
Why aren't you doing any of them?
That's so pretty.
I have work at 7 a.m.
I gotta go working now.
You're gonna have to, like, design this stuff.
So pretty. I don't like the big ones.
I should be recording this on my phone, but I really don't care. Mom's gonna have a recording
Can you
on
go
YouTube.
get my phone?
Where is it?
It's in the car. Oh wait, it's almost dead. Never mind.
You can just watch my mom's video on YouTube.
What if my nephew's scared? No, they're not scared. I can hear him. I thought they're the loudest kids, like out of anybody's kids. You know, that's my family. You can hear Hunter. I like that.
Yeah, that one was pretty.
So far, that's my favorite.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna say that a lot during the video.
Yes.
My God.
Oh my God.
You can still see it when you sit down, by the way.
Can you?
Who else is shooting off fireworks?
I'm lazy. I don't want to stand.
Back
I'm
up.
turning into all y'all. Let's do this. I like how he's the only one sitting.
I know you can't see them down here. Oh, there we go.
He's purdy. Ooh, that's gotta be a big one.
Oh.
Wow! It was a weeping willow, though. That is the smallest weeping willow I've ever seen.
Well, because it's a dud.
It's like a half.
Oh, if it was the dead one.
I bet this year, that state, the whole country.
I like being them. The ones in Quincy, you can be right up under them. They're huge. They look so huge.
I'd be too scared.
One time we was all sitting there, and stuff was hitting us. The stuff it wasn't burning us or anything, but like the remnants.
Yeah, it's hitting that. It's just hitting awnings.
What is that? Y'all see this too?
No.
I swear I'm hallucinating. Ooh. He's a
I
loud
felt
one.
that one.
I love the loud
I
ones.
felt that one in my chest. That one was.
That was low.
That one didn't go up very far. Let's see the really big ones.
No, going down to St. Charles, that's where
I
you
like
see the really big ones, where
the
they
ones
shoot
that
them off
aren't
the
colored
barge.
that are really, really big.
The ones that they shoot off the barge. Those are the ones you'll get pelted by.
I love how the kids are so
That's actually my
like that is.
Yeah. Yeah, that's them. That's definitely them. I can hear my sister-in-law. surprised I don't hear my mom.
Okay, that was fireworks. That's what I imagine coming from your mom.
I can hear it right now. Oh God.
Yeah, no,
That's Brandon Bailey. You can hear.
What? It's like an old DA game show.
Not both fast.
No, it wasn't fast.
Can you hold my chokers?
Huh? We need to be out there. A little bit. But no, probably not.
Why?
What?
Because I have work at 7 in the morning.
So do I.
Never mind. What do you mean, so do you?
That was my favorite.
You ain't gonna go to bed that early anyways, Carmichael. You might as well watch for a little while.
If I
He's
get
a
up 7 in
pupper.
the morning, yes. Then I have to go. And that means I have to go to bed.
Please be a really loud one.
No, they'll probably be on train because it's the first one. So I want to be away with family and friends.
First off, no, they're never.
Yeah, we'll talk about it later. Just watch the fireworks, guys.
Ooh, be a loud one.
That was pretty.
Yay!
Big boy. Then you get those little.
Yeah.
Smoke trails from them.
Is it a weeping willow?
That was a butterfly. That's a narwhal.
Narwhal. Looks like a race car to me.
Narwhals.
Let's see if we can see in the middle of them. Oh, there's nothing.
That's a bad one.
That was supposed to be a flower. Be a loud one. Dang.
Cone.
A cone. I thought it was an acorn. It's a heart. You guys see a heart?
That's that part. Fireworks got
I don't know what that was. Bro, I want to see a weeping willow so badly. Is it? Oh. No, because they usually have a grand finale.
Oh, then they start getting to the ones that just go do 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 into the sky. That's like the finale.
Yeah.
I like when you could see them going up.
That was Pluto.
No, that was Saturn. No, Saturn's Pluto's.
Pluto doesn't have rings.
Ooh, the loud ones. Yay. Oh, wait, is it grand finale?
No, this ain't grand finale yet.
It's usually like 30 minutes till they do the finale, maybe an hour.
That's pretty.
Well, I hope not.
Why do you want to stay up?
I do, but if I didn't have more time, I'd stay up.
I love that.
No, that I didn't have a say. They didn't give me a choice. Everyone else
Okay.
had their choice. That's why I was debating whether to come in today.
Oh, that was different.
Yeah. I like how this down is,
There's
So
those-
delayed.
yeah, because of how far it is.
They're not even that far though. Last time we heard them like instant.
They're still the same even over there. Birds are ruining it.
How in the heck are there birds out?
I think that was Peppa Pig.
Let's put her in one of the fireworks.
This is
Cook
Dottie
bacon for
Pig.
everybody. Did you hear the drum? Cook bacon for everybody. Put her in one of the fireworks.
You're just terrible.
Bacon's on fire right now.
You make some. Hurry up. You wanna wake up or are you gonna make some?
No idea. I've seen 3 cherries.
Cherries.
Yay!
I
Oh,
just
you're not
love
recording.
food.
Oh, you're still.
Yeah, I'm recording.
She records the entire thing until it's done.
Yeah.
And then cuts out some points.
Crispy bacon.
No, usually I don't cut out stuff. I hate editing.
If you're gonna cut out anything, don't cut out what I just said.
I was about to say that can't be it.
I say crispy bacon for like no reason. Oh, it is. It's gotta be, isn't it?
Not yet.
I didn't realize how long these fireworks take. I remember one year my mom got tired of them and
it's
just
only
freaking
like
It's only been like 10 minutes.
6 minutes.
That was a heart.
Ooh, I love them ones. It's gonna
I like the falling ones.
the willow. That's my favorite. Didn't we say that at the beginning of this?
Yeah.
I like those too. Oh my god.
Kelsey. Can you not?
I don't know where she got this.
You know what we should have done, Mama?
What?
Park over there when there's not a stadium in front of us.
It's alright. This is a pretty good spot, I think.
I think it looks even prettier with the stadium in front of it. Because it gives you the hometown vibes.
Yeah, the old, like, rusted up stadium.
Rustic.
Rusted. Oh, yeah. Same thing.
That was pretty.
What else?
Chili cheese wrap, chili cheese, nachos.
I should eat something.
This most likely don't give me gas when I'm
Chelsea, too real in the video. Yes.
The IBS thing.
That's still not the finale.
Nope, not yet.
That's gotta be the grand finale.
Nope.
Nope.
They usually go all out with grand
See Peppa
finales.
Pig again. This is Dottie Pig. Let me not choke on these nachos.
What, the snort? I knew that one was gonna do it.
Every way.
Ooh, pretty.
Willow.
I like how half of them are duds. I wonder how long they've been sitting.
Now that's the grand finale.
I barely see it though.
Crap, I can't see it.
This one you're gonna have to stand up for, though.
Yeah, you're gonna have to stand up for it.
Katie. Baby, come on.
Well, there's a tree in front of it first off, so we did get a nice spot.
That's like a stadium night.
No, it's a tree.
It's like a stadium night. Wait, that's not grand finale?
Maybe it wasn't the grand finale.
Maybe they're doing something different this year.
I'm so confused. They've been doing this since I was little. Like always grand finale.
Well, will they trick you into thinking it's the grand finale and then come out with more?
Yeah, probably. That's how they get their money. They gain the entrance of our eyes.
How do I get money from this?
They shoot people
From the city.
cannons. Who goes money?
I mean, it's the city that runs it.
You can actually see the fireworks from my house. Well, our house too.
Probably see them from my house, except for all my fucking trees that are like not my house.
No, I'm talking about my house. Did I say our house?
Yeah.
I meant to say y'all's house.
So is that okay?
I was about to
Okay,
say.
I swear it's not the grand finale. Oh look!
But that's not the grand finale.
that's
Oh, look!
I heard one behind us.
Like, oh my god. Oh my god.
No.
No, don't do that.
Yeah, why?
That's not. That one looked like a skull.
It did. That one looked like.
Tinkerbell got exploded. Shut up. You can get one.
I feel like a giant. I feel like you're a giant. I gotta look up.
3, 5, 4, from I smell the blood over.
I like
Oh, I like that.
Oh, the carnival's in town, by the way.
Yeah,
Forgot to let you guys know that.
I've known.
I remember one time though, my mom got
If I had spare
so she
money,
left,
we'd
and
go to
I was watching the
carnival.
fireworks, like looking back from the car.
I'm not.
I was in the back of the car looking at the fireworks.
After this
Right.
one,
I hit my back. I love my hands.
I told you I was hallucinating.
Yeah, but it's on the street.
I'm laughing.
People probably are going
Let me
to.
stop. What are you doing?
trying to pop my knee.
That was so
Since
uncomfortable.
I hit it.
How'd you hit it?
My neck is ticklish. You can't be doing that.
I think they're setting up for the grand finale now. It's just taking so long. Maybe not.
Ooh,
That was a nice one.
that's my favorite.
Yeah.
I said that like 3 or 4 times.
That's my,
More than that.
That's gonna come a meme on YouTube, on Mom's YouTube.
That's my
favorite.
That's my favorite.
That's my favorite one. I love the willow.
Ooh.
That's my favorite.
It's on
That looked like a sucker, because it still had the long stream. And never mind. It looked like a sucker.
I know you meant.
What time is it?
I sound country.
9:48.
What? Been it's been 20 minutes. We might actually have like another 10 minutes left of it. I think it goes 9:30 to 10. Something like that. Because it's already on 9. It's already 9:50.
Big one.
They're really awesome.
They are.
They're really trying to put them together. It's really bad. Like, didn't you remember last year, it was much more
Not really.
like crazy.
I'm gonna go see what my mom is doing.
Did them look like lips? That looked like lips to me, that bottom one.
Is that a drone?
Yes.
I literally saw blinking lights go right past.
Yeah, it's a joke.
not supposed to have pops, so they automatically are going to sound like dudes.
Mhm.
Is that supposed to be Mark Twain or something?
I keep seeing different things in them.
I'm seeing presidents, I'm seeing cavemen.
I'm seeing famous YouTubers.
That's Texas. The colors don't last very long though.
Not in this one. It's more yellow.
Once again, to the atmosphere, it's just nothing. Those things go a lot higher than we think they do.
Yeah.
I mean, people who are probably on satellites are probably getting an amazing show from
That was
up
a
there.
hard. I like that one.
Still not the finale.
Oh, that was different. You don't see very many orange ones.
I've always wondered how they got like the color and stuff with these, you know,
Yeah.
and how they're made. The only thing is, I don't want a recap of last year.
Oh, here it is. Yeah. Smiley.
Yeah, they're gonna hear that. Do we clap?
I don't know. We gotta wait and see if it's a, yep.
Oops.
Alrighty.
I think that's it. Yep. I want to start with
Back up and let's go home.
I'm gonna go say bye real quick. Me and Chaz are back.